Um, yo, the way this. Let me go watch this.
Too much juice, too much sauce, too much sauce, too much juice, too much juice, too much sauce.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I don't even know why I'm excited, but it is okay. I'm not going to question it because excitement is better than depression, right? Okay, so let's jump into our video. Today's video, we are going to be talking about how to properly take out your braids without destroying your hair. Okay, I did a mini video for IG and I was shocked to see the amount of people who DM'd me telling me they didn't know that, this is how they were supposed to do it. So I figured, why not do one for YouTube so that I can show you guys how I do it and the proper way to do it. Now, if you hear kids in the background, please ignore it. My kids are home, school is out, Corona is going on. Is it Corona? Yes, Corona is going on, and I just want them to be safe. And the safest place for them in the midst of all this confusion is home. So they're home. So if you hear them playing, crying, all that, just ignore it, okay? Just focus on me alone. Okay, so let's jump into our video. Like I was saying, I have seen, I have heard, I have witnessed people blame whoever did their braids for, them having a lot of fallout when they took their braids out. Now, granted, okay, there are a lot of braiders out here who braid like their whole entire life depends on it. Like they're literally ready to braid your brains. We know that there are those type of people, but we're not talking about them today. We are talking about you and me. I've seen people take out their braids and that's it. They didn't do nothing to it. They just went about their day because they were not ready to wash it, or they wanted to wash it the next day, or they wanted to wash it later on, or they actually went right ahead into washing their hair without combing it out. And that is very dangerous, my brother and my sister. That is that's the most dangerous thing you can do to your hair. So we are going to talk about all of these things. Also, one thing that I wanted to say is, I don't know who told people, I'm not going to say you guys because it might not be you guys, so I'm going to just use the term people. I don't know who told people that you didn't have to do anything to your hair while it's in braid. And honestly, I don't even blame you guys. I blame the people that do the hair, because I feel like as a stylist, as a braider, once you are done doing your client's hair, it is your responsibility to let your client know that, hey, make sure you moisturize your hair, make sure you tie it down, this is how you manage it. It is your responsibility as a braider to do that. But a lot of braiders don't do that. They just do your hair, take their money, and then you leave. And then, the rest is history. You're actually supposed to moisturize your hair, whether it be a oil based, whether it be oil or it is a cream, whatever. You're supposed to have some sort of moisturizer and oil in your hair while it is braided. You want to keep it moisturized, because the moment it dries out, it's easy for it to break, especially if your hair is natural. Once it's dry, that's why you keep hearing that pop pop whenever maybe you pull your hair a certain way and you hear like the little pop. That's your hair literally breaking off. It's dry. It needs moisture. It needs water. It needs a lot of things. So don't ever think that just because your hair is braided, you don't need to take care of it. Okay, so back to why we are actually here today. You are not going to need a lot of stuff. You just need a spray bottle with water. Ghanaians will say ensuo. For bottle, nothing so gum. Take a bottle. I'm going to translate just in case you're on here and you don't know how to speak English, okay? Take a bottle and put water in it. Fensuo. Debbie. For bottle, nothing so gum, right? You can just use the bottle of water if you want. That's fine. But if you want to be extra and be bougie like me, you can add a conditioner. I went ahead and I added this comb out softener, detangler, moisturizer, a whole bunch of stuff. It's a herbal comb out conditioner. I went ahead and I added some in here. It's actually for kids. Listen, this thing is the truth, okay? I've been using it since I've been natural, especially having like 4C hair. Combing my hair, it's a struggle. So that thing right there is a miracle. It's a miracle working conditioner, whatever it is. I don't even know. Also, you're going to need a comb. You can use a comb. You can use a brush. You can use anything that you want. But you need to use something. Look at all that new growth. Oh my goodness, look at this. That is not cute. Once you take the hair out, you will see something like this. You need to comb this out before you even move on to the next one. Because once it dries out, because there's moisture right here. Because this is where the braid was at, there's some sort of moisture here, right? So once it dries out, it literally turns, to me, I feel like it turns into a rock. So you have to comb it out, and that's where your spray bottle and everything comes into play. Spray it, make sure it is drenched in water or whatever you're using, and then comb or brush it out. Just like so. You guys see that? Don't ever take your hair out and leave this in there. Because that bad boy, even like right here, depending on how long you had your braids in, it could be worse. Like this right now, if I try to pull it apart, chances are I'm gonna break a lot of my hair. Like I just actually broke one. I would break this right here. Can you guys see that? This. Like if I tried to even do anything with that, that would be a problem. And that's why you need your water and conditioner or your water by itself, whatever you decide to do. Oop, that was my phone. And then we're just going to gently, very gently, because once the water gets in there, it dissolves it, so it's easy for you to just comb it out. I like to spray the front before taking it out because you know your front is very sensitive. It's easier for it to break. So I like to make sure it is moisturized before I take the braid out, and then I also go ahead and spray it before I comb it or brush it out, whichever one. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Oh, maybe. Okay, guys. So we are all done. It's detangled. It's okay. Like you did. If you don't want to wash it right away, you don't have to. However, I don't know why you wouldn't want to wash it right away. The way my hair is like smelling right now, if I don't wash it right away, something will happen to me. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, leave it in the comment section below. Ignore the kids, and I will answer them as I see them. If you also have a tip that you think will help a sister out, please let me know. I'm always open to learning. Yo, the way this, let me go watch this. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think. Bye. See you in my next video.